Now I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up a giveaway with ViralSweep. Once in your dashboard, click New Giveaway. Now this pop-up will just say that by filling out the form, we automatically create 3 different styles for you. The full page giveaway, the widget, which you can embed inside of blog posts, and then we have the pop-up, which you can place on any or all pages of your website. Now this is the form you fill out to create your giveaway. It's pretty straightforward and simple, and if you get stuck anywhere along the way, just hover over these boxes, which will provide you with a tip. So first, fill out your sweepstakes title. Next, we'll do the start and end dates. And depending on where you are in the world, you can change your date format. Next, enter the number of winners. And now here's where we upload our images. Now I'm going to upload some preset images, but right here below each image box, we show you the proper dimensions that you should use. So first is our company logo. Next, we'll do some product images. And you can upload as many as you want. And if you want to remove an image or if you want to edit and crop an image, you can just click any of these buttons. And so, the cropper will pop up and you can use that tool, or you can remove an image. And next we have our background image. This is used just for the full page giveaway. So you can choose from our library where we have a bunch of default images, or you can upload your own. Next is the engagement section. This is where you fill out all your social profiles as well as a URL that you want people to visit once they enter. Just to refresh your memory, this is what that page looks like. Here are all the social buttons you can enter, and here's that button, that visit website button that people can click on, and it'll take them to whatever URL you designate. So just fill these out, do viralsweep.com. For Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, we'll use our own Facebook pages. Now, if you have dedicated URLs for these pages, like facebook.com/viralsweep, you can just type in, ViralSweep. Same goes for Twitter. Same goes for Pinterest. We'll leave Pinterest, YouTube, and LinkedIn blank for now. Next, we have the social question. Now, this is a question that you can ask that shows up on the full page giveaway, which I'll show you right here. This is where that question will show up, and people can respond to that question using Facebook comments. Now, this is really great to drum up some interaction, have people talking about your product or your business, so you can ask any question you want. So for now, we'll put in, what is your favorite soccer team? Next are the technical details. So here we have the official rules. So if you have your lawyers do your own rules for your giveaways, you can paste those in right here, or you can use our rules. Obviously, read our disclaimer here, but simply by filling out this form, we automatically generate the rules for you. So first you want to enter your company address, the city, the state, your country that you're in. Now you want to enter the country eligibility. So this is the countries that are eligible for the giveaway. And now choose the age eligibility for the age that someone has to be in order to enter. Enter the retail value of the prizes, list the prizes. Enter a contact email address, and then enter your website's privacy policy URL. Now once you click Save, the rules automatically get generated for you. So you can simply go in and edit any part of these rules that you need. So for example, we have here the sweepstakes is open to the legal residents of the United States and is void where prohibited by law. If we want to change that to the United States and Canada, you can just simply add that right in. Next is the hosted URL. Now this is the URL where you plan to place the sweepstakes on your website. So simply just put the URL where you plan to place the code that we give you. Now if you're going to have, for example, the pop-up, then you can just enter your homepage URL. Or you can even leave this step blank and we'll direct them to the ViralSweep URL on our own site where your giveaway is hosted. Now at any time you can click this preview your giveaway button and we'll automatically show you a preview of what you have created so far of all 3 styles. And here we tell you, you can enter your sweepstakes just to test it out and check out the sharing options. So here's the widget we created, here's the full page, and here's the pop-up. And so you just click close, and we'll get back to the final steps. Down here we have custom forms. So by default we collect an email address, but we can add in, name, you can add an address, you can add a telephone number, and then you can even add in custom forms as well. So if you want to ask a question, something like, what is your t-shirt size? You can do that. And then of course you can also remove any fields you don't want. So we'll just stick with those two for now. And finally we have advanced options. Here we have language, which allows you to translate any portion of our app. So we show you all the English language on the app, and you can simply just click in the box and you would type in the translation of the words. Next we have Facebook share text and Twitter tweet text. So here you can customize the share text that gets sent out via Facebook, and of course the tweet text that gets sent out via Twitter. And finally, we allow you to edit the amount of bonus entries that you award for each step. So by default, all bonus entries are set to 1. As you can see right here, visit our website, you get 1 bonus entry. Refer your friends, you get 1 bonus entry for each friend you refer. But here you can customize this. So, you can give 10 entries for referring a friend. Or you can give, 5 entries for liking us on Facebook. You can customize those however you want. Now once you're done, you can simply click done, and the giveaway will automatically be created for you. And here we have the giveaway that we just set up. And we can click get code, and here's where you can get the code for the widget, you can get the code for the full page, you can get the code for the pop-up. And then we also provide you with a direct link to your giveaway. Simply copy these pieces of code and place them on your website wherever you want them to show up. You can also, check your analytics. Of course, there are none because we haven't started anything. You can click export data, and it'll export all the data that has been collected so far, which is, the email addresses. With that data, we show you a bunch of other great information like the bonus entries, who they're referred by, their IP address, and also if you had any custom form data like first and last name or address, that will show up on there as well. And finally, you can integrate with MailChimp and Aweber. So you can just connect to MailChimp, select the list you want to send your leads into, and every time someone enters your giveaway, their email will get sent over to MailChimp or Aweber. And that's how easy it is to set up a giveaway with ViralSweep.